Does this story sound familiar? My grandson said to me, "I don't want to talk to you anymore unless you can hear me." Well, that did it. We all know that most people's hearing gets worse with age. So what can we do about it? If you dread the thought of hearing aids, don't. Technology has changed a lot from devices like this that just amplified all sound or went berserk next to a telephone. What about this little one?
This is an example of today's advanced miniaturised and digital voice detection devices. Complete with a computer chip, this is the latest in artificial intelligence.
To find out more, call 0800 800 864 right now for a copy of this book, Your Guide to Better Hearing. It's been developed by a nationwide group of audiologists. It explains what you need to know before you take a test to find out if you've got a problem and what can be done about it. It won't hurt a bit. And if you call now, your hearing screening test could well be free. Get the inside story and never get left out of the conversation again.